Hi everyone, so I welcome you to my new video series. In this, I'll be discussing all the CAT 24 slot 2 quant questions. And if you like my content, you can consider subscribing and please don't forget to like and comment. Additionally, if you want to understand all the concepts for the quant section in CAT from scratch, from basics up to the advanced level, please don't forget to check out my course. I have given the link in the description. All right, so let's look at this very first question. This very first question came to me as a surprise because since a very long time, CAT did not ask any question from remainders theorem, but this marks as a comeback for the remainder theorem. Okay, so the question is 3 raised to triple 3 is divided by 11. The remainder is what? Okay, pretty simple question. It's a pretty doable question. So there are multiple ways of going about this question. The first thing is, guys, if you know, 242 is basically a multiple of 11. So that I simply understood by observation. 22 into 11 would give me a 242, right? And I know that 3 raised to 5 is nothing but 243. Okay. Now, if you understand this particular connection, you already know what is to be done. If not, pay attention step by step. You will exactly understand what I'm going to do here. So 3 raised to triple 3, let's break this as 3 raised to 330 into 3 raised to 3. We have applied the laws of indices here. A raised to m plus n is a raised to m into a raised to n, right? So 3 raised to 330, I'll further break it as 3 raised to 5 into 66. Simply breaking 330 as 5 into 66. This part I'll keep as it is, okay? So 3 raised to 3 as it is. Now, again, using the law of indices, 3 raised to 5 into 66 can be written as 3 raised to 5, the whole raised to 66. The second part again as it is. Further, 3 raised to 5 is 243. The whole thing raised to 66, right? Into 3 cube is again, you can keep it as it is or write 27, makes no difference. Now, remember guys, we have discussed that 22 into 11 was 242. So if I divide 243 by 11, if I divide this 243 by 11, 11 22s are 242, I will get the remainder as 1. So technically, this 243 on dividing by 11 leaves a remainder 1. Thereby, this first part here will be 1 raised to the power 66. 1 into 1 into 1 into 166 times. So therefore, 1 power 66 into 27 divided by 11 is 11 2s are 22. The remainder is 5. So this part gives you a remainder 5. Finally, 1 power 66 is nothing but 1 only. Into 5 will give you the final remainder as 5. And that is the answer to your question. That is the D option. So that is standard way of solving this particular question using the concept of remainder theorem. Now let's look at the quicker way of solving this particular question, guys. And this I've discussed in my course as well. It is basically the concept of Euler's theorem. The Euler's number of the divisor should be found out. So we have to find out the Euler's number of 11. Euler's number of 11 is basically 11 minus 1. And that is nothing but 10. So all the multiples of 10 in the power will give you remainder 1 when 3 raised to that power is divided by 11. So that means 3 raised to 10, 3 raised to 20, 3 raised to 30 up to 3 raised to 330. All these numbers on dividing by 11 will leave a remainder of 1. We have already proved this previously in the conventional approach. But now if you use the Euler's theorem, it's a cakewalk. So 3 power 330 gives you a remainder 1. The extra 3 remains. So we simply need to find the remainder of 3 power 3 when divided by 11. 3 power 3 is 27. On dividing by 11, the remainder is basically 5. And that's the answer to your question, the D option. If this entire concept of remainders theorem is new to you, you can check out the link I have posted here, or you can check out my entire course where we will discuss the whole concept in detail.